Look at my eyes, guys. It's really tired and sleepy. So exotic hot clothes. I really love the color of this one, guys. I really love the color. You know what? It's ano na. It's broken. This is not like this. There's a tie here, of course, and then it's broken. So I style into tube. This is short and the top. It's this stuff. This is the short. So I style this one. Oh, wow! I can go like this too. Oh my god, disgusting. It smells good, guys, huh? Look at the back. Because I told you guys, this is the style is not true. It's like that. So I'm gonna style like that so it's a little bit sexy to look at. My tummy is a little bit big now because I'm so full. As you can see, I ate a lot of rice. Tomorrow, wala na yan. Ay, huwag na. Mas sobrang iksi niya. Kaya makita na yung latdi ko dyan. It's exclusive. Aharon Strawberry, hello. Hi. Yes, I have WhatsApp. No, YouTube. Agree with me. It's not allowed. It's not allowed. Oh, the 10 peso coin. Right here, this is the lucky charm. It will become 5,000 pesos tomorrow. That's $100.